If Ivan Illich Cherdyakov, a civil servant, a clerk in the Ministry of Public Parks, had any passion in life at all, it was the theater. He certainly had hopes and ambitions for higher office and had dedicated his life to hard work, zeal, and patience. So he purchased 2 tickets in the very best section of the theater for the opening night performance. That night came his respected superior, General Michael Rathilhoff, the Minister of Public Parks himself.
Good evening, General.
What? Oh, yes. Good evening.
Permit me, sir. I'm Chertakov Ivan Illich. It's a great honor for me.
Yes.
Like yourself, dear General, I'm to serve the Minister himself to public parks. That is so to say. I'm serving who is needed himself in the Minister of Public Parks. I am the Assistant Chief Clerk in the Department of Trees and Bushes.
Very nice.
General, my wife would like and she will be very honorful to say hello.
How do you do?
Madame Brasnikov. She is my wife, Madame Chertakov.
How do you do, Madame Brasnikov? How do you do? I just had the pleasure of meeting your husband.
He was no longer a stranger to the Minister of Public Parks. They had become, if one wanted to be generous about the matter, familiar with each other. And then, quite suddenly, without any warning, like a bolt from a great thundering sky, Ivan Illich Cherdyakov reared his head and...
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm terrible sorry. That was so... I'm sorry.
Never mind. It's all right.
It's not alright. It's unpardonable. It was monstrous of me.
You make too much. I see.
But I splattered you, sir. You completely had it's now wet. It was an accident. But it was disgusting and... Yes, I'm sorry. It's not a cold if that's where the thing that worried you. Probably just a particle of dust in the wind.
Amusing? Oh my goodness. It's so true. I haven't laughed so much in years. It was unforgivable, sir.
Forget it, young man. Come, my dear. It looks like rain. I don't want to get my head wet today.
You shouldn't let people sneeze on you, man. You're not people to be sneezed at.
I'm ruined. He'll have far me from trees and bushes. They'll send me down to branches and twigs.
Oh, Ivan.
What?
You mustn't let it concern you. It was just a harmless little sneeze. The general's probably forgotten it already.
Do you think so?
No, I'm scared, Ivan.
And so they woke home in despair.
Perhaps I should send him a nice gift. Maybe some Turkish towels. Why did this happen to me? He will have no choice to forgive me.
Maybe it's best not to remind him, Ivan.
No. If I must hope to become a gentleman, I must start to behave like one.
He waited from morning till late afternoon.
Next. Sorry, General. I'm lost.
Sure. Last?
Huh? Don't you recognize me? We met last night under explosive circumstances. I'm the spatterer.
The what? The sneezer. The wire sneeze. The sneezing splattered. What do you want now? Gesundheit?
No, Excellency, your forgiveness. Exile my nose, but forgive me, kind ship. Forgive me.
My dear young man, I'm not angry with your nose. I'm too busy to have time for your nasal problems. I suggest you to go home and take a hot bath. Or a cold one. Take something, but don't bother me with this silly business again. That's what I hear all day. Give her, give her, give her. Sonia! I've been humiliated.
You, Ivan, who will humiliate you? You're such a kind and generous person.
Who? I'll tell you who. The General Brusilhoff.
What did he do?
He practically forced me to come to his office to grovel and beg over my knees and reduced to a giving idiot. He will be free to sneeze under superiors, and it's he who will be humiliated, but I.
And so, the next morning, Sherdacup came to humiliate him.
Last. Well,
You say? Do you not recognize me? Your Excellency? Look at my face.
it's once again. Who?
Yes, it's me. I have a jaw like. Who let this fitty man in?
What is it?
And you just ask, what is it?
What is it? You're sitting there giving it like an idiot. What is it you want?
I'll tell you what I want. I wanted to apologize again for sneezing you.
Out! Out, you idiot! Fool imbecile! What's your name? Sherdacup! You girl spreader! You maggot! You insect! You're lower than an insect! You're nothing! Nothing! Do you hear me? Nothing!
Something drained from him that can only be described as the very life for itself. The matter was over, for once, for all, forever. What happened next was quite simple. Ivan Ilyich Sherdacup arrived at home, removed his coat, and died.
That is